What is up, wavy souls? Today we're actually gonna be touching on if you clicked on the video, that means you're ready to learn an advanced cutting shapes combination that I created. This was actually super tough for me to learn. It took me a little bit to really nail down the rhythm of it, so I'm super excited to show it to you. It is not a beginner style combination. This is definitely meant for more advanced shapers. I am super stoked for any of you who are willing to take the leap and go into something very advanced, and I'm super excited to see you guys try it out. Alright y'all, welcome back to another video. I have to be super honest, this is my third time filming this. I didn't like the way I explained it the first time, and like the wind was blowing. Anyways, it didn't work out. I'm gonna try to do this as concise, as clear. Like I said, this is an advanced combination, so please be patient with yourself and practice, because you're not gonna get better unless you practice. What I really want to get clear on this move is that so the combination I made is called a 3-tap combination, which I just named it just right now, just for the sake of the video, in case I need to reference it. Let me show you the move really quick. Actually starts with an X out. So really quick, just so that I can touch on it so that we can be on the same page in case you don't know what an X out is. An X out is the one that you see shapers do. Cross blades, poly pockets, whatever you want to call them. This is a foundational move for shaping, for cutting shapes. If you don't know how to do the X out, make sure you comment down below and I'll make sure to do a tutorial after this one. I'm going to start with your right leg. I'm just going to flip this video. So right leg is first up into a neutral position, which means that your knee is just up at a 90-degree angle. Your hip is bent and hinged. This is your neutral position. This is the position that you're going to need to get to for you to be able to execute it smoothly. We're going to twist and rotate the hips to the right to kind of open up this hip. We're going to land with the heel down, and the back leg's going to open up and split. Now we're here and it's open. We're gonna come up with this back leg, your left leg, neutral position in the center. Ha! Sorry, I'm holding on to the thing because I can't hold the position. But we're up here to the center with the neutral position. We're going to twist and rotate to the right and land on the heel and split the center. When I say split the center, I really mean we're here in the center and we're gonna split it by landing on either side of the center, right? But once you get into the flow of this X out position, this X out movement, you can really start to differentiate what it feels like to come into that neutral position, and it makes everything smoothly, jumping from the side to side. Ha, ha, ha. So practice those single X outs and then move into this next portion of the combination. So the combination starts with 2 X outs. It starts with the right leg first, neutral position, right and left, and this is the prep for the taps, for the 3 taps. We're here in neutral position, we're gonna hop on the left foot, and we're gonna touch to this first point. So again, we start with this neutral position, tap, while you're hopping, tap, and extend. Do you see how this is the same motion as an X out? We started with the right leg, neutral position up, right and left and tap, tap, cross. Right and left and tap, tap, cross. Notice how that one leg that's connected to the ground is hopping. Da, da, da. The hips are coming from the right and panning to the left. So when you reach back, your hips will be facing this way. When you reach diagonally, your hips are facing forward, and then when you cross, your hips are facing to the left. I hope that makes sense. So again, we started with right leg and left and neutral position, tap, tap, cross. From here, now we're gonna flip the combination, so it's an actual total 8 count. Neutral, left X out, neutral, right X out, neutral, tap, tap, cross. That one I know is going to be really tricky because it's the opposite leg. It was super tricky for me as well. but we'll get there, slowly but surely. Neutral position, right leg, right and left, and tap, tap, cross, and left, and right, and tap, tap, cross. Let's pick up the pace, follow along. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. A few tips for you to walk away with. Make sure that you have the motion, the flow of shaping by swinging and swaying left to right, and really getting familiar with your gravity when you're doing this type of dance. And when you're doing the taps, make sure that you're staying strong in that connected leg that's connected to the ground, and make sure that you're really hitting those 3 points. Watch my left leg. Neutral, right and left, and da, 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 and da, 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 da. I call it 3 taps, but it's technically 2 taps. Tap, tap, cross into X out. That's your X. Da, da, tap, tap, X out, X out, X out, tap, tap, X out, X out, X out, tap, tap, tap. So try that. Hopefully that works. This is my 3rd time filming this, so hopefully I did a lot better this time. If you tried this combination out, don't forget to tag me so that I can see and so that I can geek out watching you try the combination. It would mean so much to me to know that someone's trying it out. Make sure to turn on your push notifications so that you can stick around for any more tutorials. And yeah, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out. This is really cute. This is my baby Lila. Guys, this is my roommate.
This isn't live, is it?
No.
Alright, good.